getting ready to vacuum out the car so my husband doesn't kill me. Hey guys, so it's been a while now and I needed that nap. My kids slept a long time too. They slept for about 3 hours because they were bull crapping. We were watching Trolls and Elijah's like obsessed with Trolls, so it took him forever to go to sleep. And then we were on the phone with Michael. Then we finally went to sleep, and I thought I would have some time just because the commissary closes at the commissary is closed on, what day is it? They're closed on Monday, so I thought they would close at 7 today, but they close at 6 and it's 5:07 right now, so I have to hurry up and get I need probably 2 ingredients of what I'm gonna cook for dinner tonight, and then I need what I'm gonna get for the boys on the plane. It should be good, and I'm gonna vacuum out the car because, like I said, I don't want Michael to flip crap. And then I'm gonna go home and pack. And then tomorrow I'll just clean the house. I'm gonna go home, pack, and at least get the boys' room situated, because good lord, that room is whoo. If I showed you guys that room, Noah plays with all his toys, so he just throws them everywhere. We have him in a playpen, and he just gets in the playpen and throws them everywhere on the floor and then plays with them, and it's just a hot mess. But I'm getting ready to go through the gate, so I'll see you guys at the commissary. I'm done with the grocery shopping, and now I'm getting ready to vacuum out the car so my husband doesn't kill me. And I decided to do it today. I know I said I was gonna do it tomorrow, but I decided to do it today because I'm already over here, and it's right by the commissary, so I might as well just go ahead and do it.
A few moments later.
Hey y'all, so I am back from cleaning out the car and I'm cooking dinner. It is so late. It's like 6:40 something. We eat dinner at 7, but you know, I'm trying. And I'm gonna show you guys, I'm gonna do a little grocery haul. I'm gonna show you guys what I got. So I got Kid Fresh macaroni and cheese. This is what they're going to, I got 2 of these. This is what they're going to eat on the plane. And then I got the Kid Fresh pizza. These have it's organic and non-GMO. It's whole grain, and it has pureed vegetables in it with the sauce. And then the macaroni and cheese, it has pureed carrots in it too. So it's a healthy meal for them. Stop, boy, you crazy. This is for Elijah. He likes these. It's the organic little crunches. The white cheddar and broccoli. He loves these things. So does Noah. And then I got them these little Capri Suns. I got orange and peach. Multivitamin. And the mango one. And then, what are you doing? And then for me, this is my favorite drink the Snapple strawberry kiwi. So good. I got two of these. I get them the skinny pack of the popcorn. Oh man, it comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It comes with 6 of them. It literally has no taste to it. It's gluten-free, non-GMO, no artificial ingredients, and pure popped to perfection, I guess. Yeah, but this is what I give Noah for popcorn. If you guys can't tell, I really like them to eat like clean, because I don't. They've been eating clean pretty much all their lives, so trying to stick to it even though it's really expensive. And then I got them the veggie chips. This is what we got for chips. I got me this Amy's pizza. It's the margarita one. This one's organic too. So this is for me for tomorrow, and if the boys want some, they can have some too. And then this is what they eat for breakfast. They both get one each, and I also got them a mixture of fruit. So they'll have this in the morning, and then when they wake up, they can have this to eat in the morning too. So this is good. Will you stop, child? Just for them to snack on something before the food is done. It's the Kid Fresh quesadillas. It has pureed carrots in it, and it's used with Monterey Jack and real cheddar. So this is good. No. You're about to eat right now, man. And this is what they look like. Okay, baby. And I'm cooking curry chicken because I know that's what they'll eat. Hold on, wait, man. I'm doing the rice right now. Oh, and I also brought carrots for my curry chicken. This is not the actual way to make curry chicken, but I need something fast. Usually you burn the curry and everything like that and you put it in there, but I don't have time for that. So I'm using the store-bought curry. I use this. It's pretty good. I like it. And then I have my chicken soaking in water and a lemon juice. About to clean the chicken off, cut them up into like smaller pieces because they're breasts. I thought they were wings, but they're not. And then it shouldn't take that long for them to What are you doing, baby? You singing? You sound so beautiful. Shouldn't take long for the chicken to be done, so hopefully by at least 7:30 food should be ready. Come on, let's eat. Come on. Here you go. Here, Wisey. You like it? Here you go. You like it? Okay. Alright. Let me get to freaking cleaning this chicken. Carrots and the potatoes to get soft. But this is not how you make real curry. Don't come for me because I already know. Like I said, this is not how you make real curry. Okay, so I showed you guys this little packet thing, and it comes in a packet like this. So you open it up and it comes like this. You can break them off. So what I do is, you see the pot, how it has water in it? I pour out a little bit of the water because you don't need all that water. And then, what, Ann? Yes, I'm all right. I put that into the pot and I let it melt. I add some butter and then we're done. Okay, so I dump the water out a little bit like this. And then I just take 2 pieces. You can usually do it with one, but I kind of like mine's like with a lot of sauce. And then you just put it in. You wait for it to melt. It's quick, it's easy. How it's turning, fogging you guys up. And I might add another one in here. I'm gonna add one more stick, or one more, and put that in there. And then, yeah, I'm gonna do my spinners, which are dumplings, and then add butter, let it cook some more, and then food should be done. see the dumplings in it. And because I added another one, I added another pod to it. And drop it in there. And you just stir it around. You got yourself some curry chicken. We ran out of paper plates and I really don't feel like getting another plate for them. So I'm just gonna fill my plate up so all of us can eat, because once I wash these dishes that are in here, I'm not washing any more dishes. This is what it looks like. Curry chicken with rice, dumpling, carrots, and potatoes. It's a lot of food, and if we don't eat it, I'll just cover it up with foil paper and we can have it for tomorrow. My travel vlogs are coming soon. Are you really eating ranch? What is your issue? My travel vlogs are coming soon. Like I said, I don't know how I'm gonna do that, just because, like, how I'm gonna edit them, just because I didn't talk a lot, but I'll figure it out. They are coming soon, so be on the lookout for that. And what else? Oh, and I'm also gonna do a breastfeeding video because I'm weaning Elijah. So, and he's totally different from Noah when I was weaning him. So I'm gonna do that too. Thank you so much for, you know, subscribing and interacting with me. Share my videos with everybody you know. Make sure you tell them to subscribe to the Ram Fam. Thank you guys so much for interacting with me. It means so much. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.